Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add payment methods in a Shopify store. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, we are under the Home tab. And as you can see, you can go ahead and click on Add Payment Methods and here Activate. Okay, you have the Activate button. You can just go ahead and click on it. If you can't see it, don't worry. Just go ahead over to the bottom left, click on Settings right here. Wait for it. Now go ahead over to Payments. Okay. Now in here, just go ahead and click on choose a provider if you want to receive bulk payment methods. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to click on it. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you can see here we have Adyen, which supports a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and some other options, including Apple Pay, Google Pay as well. Okay, and in here, as you can see, you have a ton of options as well. If you want this one, you can go ahead and click on it. Just follow the simple prompts. Okay, you can go ahead and click on Install. And again, install right here. Then go ahead and start with a live account, okay, right off the bat. Click Get Started. In here, you can go ahead and do live or even test. Okay, just make sure that you already have a Adyen account. If you don't have a Adyen account, you can go ahead and go back in here, click on Contact Provider, and have a chat or have a call with the Adyen support. Okay, that's one way. You could also go back to payments right here. And then just go ahead and click on supported payment methods. Okay, as you can see here, PayPal is one of their famous integration. Okay, you can just go ahead and click on setup right here, click on it, follow simple prompts, and again, just complete the process in here. Going back, in here you have the payment capture method. You could also add manual payment methods. Okay, if you want to, like maybe a bank deposit, cash on delivery, or money order, or even click create a custom payment method. Okay, you'll have that option as well. Just go ahead and use this button. And also Apple Wallet Pass is available in here. Just click on Customize to give your customers a digital Apple Wallet Pass to use online or in your retail stores. Okay, some payment methods right here, such as Shopify payments, okay, are not available in all countries. That is why it is needed to choose from a provider right here, or even add in more payment methods in here, okay. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and look for letter G. As you can see here, GrabPay is available, Samsung Card, Gcash, okay, if you're from the Philippines or any other country that supports Gcash, as you can see here, it is available. All right, just add in as many payment methods as you can. And then once that's done, you should be good to go. And that is basically how you add payment methods here in your Shopify store. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.